Hey guys, thanks for coming back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. My name's Renee. Today I am doing a video about something that I've been needing to do for a while. So basically today I'm going to be diving into my dress closet. This is my third bedroom. If it looks like a different background, that's because it is. I'm in a room I'm not normally in. So this room has a closet that I have all my dresses in, and I have a lot of them. So everyone kind of has their things, shoes, purses, whatever. Mine's dresses, so I have way too many, and these I've collected over the years, and I just really need to go through them and get rid of them because I've been really bad about doing that. So basically I'm going to make 3 piles: things I want to keep, things I want to get rid of, and things I'm not sure about. So I have an embarrassing amount of dresses, so if you want to see me kind of go through and get rid of a bunch of things, then just keep watching. Welcome to my dress closet. Here it is. Take a little step back. I'm not even going to show you the bottom of this closet because it's just insanely messy. I actually need to clean out this whole closet, but so here's just kind of a scope of how many dresses I have. It goes all the way back to here. So as you can see, there are a lot of them, and they are kind of in color coordinated order. They actually are, but because so many of them have prints, you can't really tell. And another thing you can see if you look in here is some of these still have tags on them. So that might give you an idea of how much of a dress problem I have. Oh, there's another one. So let's just get started on this. Look like so far. Here's the keep pile, here's the get rid of pile, and here's the maybe pile. So as you can see, I am keeping a lot so far. So hopefully this pile, the get rid of pile, gets bigger, and anything that goes in this pile might eventually come back to the get rid of pile. So this is what my stacks look like so far. Making progress. I'm almost halfway done. I'm on to my black dresses, and then the rest of these are, you know, like white, gray, tan, and then back here's like my long sleeve and long dresses. So far it's going pretty good. I thought I'd be getting rid of more than I am, so maybe as I keep going I will. We will see. Okay, so just a little reminder about the piles. This pile right here is keep, this pile is get rid of, and this pile is not sure. So keep, get rid of, not sure. Okay, let's keep going. empty this closet's looking now. So all I have left now are my long dresses and like my long sleeve dresses. So I'm gonna go through those, but actually before I do that, I think I'm gonna go through my pile of maybes and try them on and see how I feel about them, because I think a lot of these are gonna end up being get rid ofs, but they're just ones that I'm kind of on the fence about. So this pile right here, I'm gonna go through these and try them on right now and decide what I want to keep and what I want to get rid of. I just tried on all those dresses, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 went into the keep, and then all of these went into the get rid of. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I would say that's pretty successful. So let's finish the rest of it now. So I'm sitting here looking at all my dresses, and obviously I can tell when they're hanging up that I have a lot of dresses, but sitting down here and just kind of looking at these piles makes me realize it's a lot more than I realized. So I thought, well, I was going to count how many I was getting rid of anyways, but so I'm getting rid of 25 dresses, which is awesome. That's huge. You know, 25 dresses out of this closet will be awesome. But then I counted the dresses I was keeping, and this is embarrassing. The number is 81. So that means I have over 100 dresses right here, 81 that I'm keeping, and that's just insane. Like, nobody needs 81 dresses. I definitely don't. And so this is gonna have to be a project. It was great that I'm getting rid of all these, but to still have this many, it's gonna be a task. You know, every couple months I'm gonna have to go through and try and get rid of 25 more. So if I keep getting rid of that, maybe eventually I will be down to just 25 or even less. So another thing I do want to say is none of these dresses cost over $20. I don't buy anything full price. All these dresses, I buy all my stuff on clearance, and more, I would say like 75% of these were probably actually under $10. And this collection of dresses I've been building up since I was, well, it's been at least 15 plus years that I've been collecting these. So this is a long time of dresses. But like I said, it just makes me realize the sheer number of stuff I have that I just don't need. And it's just insane. It's like, I don't know. Like, I didn't think that I had that many dresses. It's kind of ridiculous, but getting started on decluttering them, and it's a step in the right direction. So, yay! I just hung up all my dresses that I'm keeping, and already my closet looks so much better. So I have like this much free space now, and then these are all my short sleeve, sleeveless dresses, whatever, and then I have this big space, and then I have all my long dresses. So as you saw before, this closet was completely jammed full, and now I have this really big space right here, and I even have plenty of room between my short dresses and my long dresses. So already this closet looks way better, and I'm really looking forward to seeing, as I get rid of more and more dresses, how much room I have in here. So this is awesome. This closet used to be so jam-packed that I could barely even look at my dresses because they were packed in so tightly. So now this is just so much more manageable, and hopefully it'll also force me to realize which ones of these dresses I will actually be wearing and which ones I don't, and that'll help me determine which ones to get rid of. So yay, this looks so much better now. Alright guys, so what do you think? I have tons of dresses, right? So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm so close to 200 subscribers, and I'm really excited. So if you aren't subscribed already, please consider doing so, or if you are, let some of your friends know about my channel, and maybe they can come over and check it out and subscribe too. So as I said, I really hope you enjoyed this video, And until next time, I'll see you later. My name's Renee. Bye guys.